Hey everyone, it's Giggle Pups here. I have this amazing castle. It's so beautiful. It is pink and purple. And this is from Sparkle Girlz. Wow. We get a little doll as well included in this. So let's open it up and check it out. Here's our beautiful doll. Look how long her hair is. Oh, I really like that love heart. She's got the most beautiful dress on. It's so sparkly. So she looks like an Anastasia or an Annalisa. Annalisa, oh yeah, I love that name, Annalisa. So hey, this is Annalisa. Pleased to meet you. And now we're gonna get her castle ready. So this is the castle. And then we get some stairs. So I need to just attach them together. And then we can put them on. There we go, a glorious staircase. And here we are, welcome to Annalisa's home. You can open the doors and she can go up the stairs. And look, she's got the most amazing balcony to look out on. Wow, this is the most beautiful castle I've ever seen. Oh. So Annalise can open and close the door. And she can walk up her beautiful staircase. And on the top floor you can see the flags are flying. She's got so much space to walk in. And look, oh, she can look at her kingdom from this beautiful balcony. And if we need to know the time, we've got a little clock over here. Oh, Annalise, we need to celebrate your new house. It's so perfect. Let's throw a party. Oh, Annalise, you've done such an amazing job. There's so much food here. Look, we've got some sweets, some blue ones, and some red ones. And we got some pretzels. Yummy. Over here we've got some burgers and some bread rolls. And at the back here, we've got some fruit. We've got some strawberries and kiwi slices. And then there's cakes and more sweets for everybody. Oh, Annalise, I'm so excited for you. I can't wait till the guests start arriving. Oh, Annalise, Annalise, your first guests have arrived. Quickly, you better get to the door. Come on in, everybody. Oh, hey! Oh, come on in. Oh, so many people have turned up for the party. Hey, it's Sophia. Come on in, Cinderella. There's room for everybody. So many people have come to Annalise's party. Okay, let's get everybody in first. Oh, Annalise, your house, it's so beautiful. Thanks so much, Cinderella. I'm so glad you could come to my party. Come on, let's get some food. What would you like, Cinderella? Maybe you'd like a burger. Oh, I think I'll have a burger. Yeah, definitely. Oh, there's someone else at the door. Hello. Oh, hey, it's Elsa. Hi. I'm super excited about your party. Come on in. Oh no. Hey, Annalise, I can't fit in your house. Oh no. What are we gonna do? It's okay, Elsa. Don't worry. I've got a really good idea. Just wait one minute. Okay, Elsa, here you go. You just need to take one of these magic mushrooms. If you eat it all, then you'll shrink and you'll be able to fit inside my house. Oh, okay. There you go, Elsa. Enjoy it. This tastes really nice. Elsa has had half the mushroom. I'm starting to feel a little bit strange. I don't know, I feel like something is happening. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, what's going on? Oh no, Annalise, I've grown really big. I've not shrunk, I've just grown even bigger than I was before. Oh dear. I think I've given you the wrong mushroom, Elsa. I'm really sorry. Okay, it's alright. We can fix this. Let me go and get you another mushroom. And this will shrink you back to your normal size. Okay, Elsa, now just eat this magic mushroom. And hopefully you'll shrink back to your normal size. Are you feeling it yet? I'm starting to feel a bit strange again. Okay, I think it's working. Oh, thank goodness. I'm back to the size I was before. I need to relax now. It was so stressful, Annalise. Oh, I'm sorry, Elsa. I'm gonna have to give you one more mushroom to make you small again. And then you can fit through my castle doors. Oh no, no more. I can't eat no more mushrooms. That is it. Please don't make me. Oh, okay. Well, how about we bring the party outside? Really? You would do that for me? Yeah, of course I would, Elsa. You're my best friend. I would do anything for you. Oh, so cool. Just give me 5 minutes and I'll get it all set up. And here we are, all set up, Elsa. Oh, thank you so much. Hey, everybody, Elsa's here. Yay, let the party begin. Woo! Hope you enjoyed watching. See you tomorrow for more fun and adventures with Giggle Pops.